Frustrated with fine hair that falls flat? Discover how to make your natural curls dance with style and volume. Your dream hair awaits. The curly long bob is a versatile style that gives fine curls volume and texture for any occasion. For an exuberant, lively look, the curly layered cut adds movement and character to fine hair. A curly bun combines natural volume with easy elegance, perfect for showcasing your curls. Short, curly hairstyles create a rejuvenated, low-maintenance look that highlights your natural bounce. Curly bangs introduce a playful element to your style, flattering your features with gentle volume. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with the latest hairstyle trends.